great experience overall with them. There was a lot of great communication and getting the project to begin, getting the permits and everything. And there was great communication as we got the installation, and there was great follow up afterwards as well. The installation crew, they were great. They just came in, they did the job, they were all friendly with me. They didn't mind me taking pictures, and they got it all done in under a day. I was impressed. Love the windows. I can't hear a thing going on outside at all, so it's totally peaceful inside. So they're great. I love them. Yes, they did. They kept me informed on any changes that we may have made. They kept me updated. They let me know when the permits went through, and they allowed me to schedule my own appointment. To get the windows installed, and they were there the same day that they said they were going to be. So everything went smooth, and there was great follow up afterwards as well, as I said, because they made sure that I knew what time the inspector was going to be here to get the inspection done. While they were waiting, they just took a look around and they repaired anything that needed touching up on. And like I said, there's just great follow up all the way through. Justin was a good sales rep. He kept that honest. He answered any questions that I had. The ones that he didn't have the answers to, he immediately got an answer to them for me. So. And he was very upfront. I enjoyed Justin's company and setting this all up.